Time to bust out this vacuum sealer and do some sous vide cooking. For the first time using this is what they call flying without a net. So let's see what we got. Okay, comes with a couple bags. That's good because I didn't have any other bags with me. Instructions and the machine. This is a larger machine than the last one we just worked with. This is like very formal seeming. I'm still gonna try to do this without reading instructions. Let's get us some steaks. Power on. It says 000 like it says on the instructions. Check these Argentinian steaks out. Time to cook them sous vide style. But in order for us to cook it sous vide style, we're gonna need to vacuum seal them using this sealer. Let's start the water heating up. Got our Inkbird ready to go. Just press run, it's on its way to 122 degrees. Okay, first time using this vacuum sealer system. So let's see how it goes. Captain Obvious, we'll plug it in. We'll get ourselves 2 bags to work with. These bags only come in one size. Season these guys up. All right, first shot. Let's open the bag. Slide this delicious piece of meat in. Let's kind of center it. I don't think you really need to do that. Let's open this up. I'm gonna put this here, nice and flat, across the ceiling area there. Looks about right to me. Close this. Let's try this again. I feel like we're gonna do rough side up. Put this in there very nicely like that. Close it. We got double zeros. Let's hit vacuum. Okay, now I definitely see some vacuum action happening. In case anybody's curious, this thing has the worst instructions ever. Not only are they not great, but they are so small you barely can read them. And try to put this inside this area here. Let's try this, like that. Okay, we got zeros. Let's hit vacuum. Okay, the vacuum is definitely working now. Oh, it's got a good vacuum seal. Now the question is, will it seal it like it's supposed to? Okay, here we go. Let's go with vacuum again. So we're gonna vacuum. I'm learning, it's a 2-step process. I'm not learning because the instructions are good, I'm learning because figuring it out on my own. Now it does look to me like it's sucking the juice into the machine, which seems kind of yucky. Okay, now let's do a moist seal. Okay, we have sealed and vacuumed this delicious steak. Let me show you. Oh, look at this. Vacuum sealed. It's a 2-step process with a little waiting in between. All right, here we go. Here is the process. Take this delicious steak, put it in the bag. Hit the buttons to open it. Like so, the open end is inside this little valley here, like that. And then we close. First, we're gonna hit vacuum. It's counting down, 0, and it's done. So now we're gonna seal moist, because we can see lots of juice in there. I'm assuming that's moist. So now what happens is, you press the button and it flashes for a little while, and then all of a sudden it's going to start with the countdown. Takes a little patience. Our sous vide machine's up to 111 degrees, almost ready to go. Okay, so went to 13 and we're counting down. Hit the 2 buttons on the sides, opens up. Look at that. Ooh, how about that? There we go, one vacuum sealed, ready to be sous vide, delicious Argentinian steak.